Welcome back to the All Me Artist Series. We're going to be bringing back somebody who's already been on the channel, an enamellist named Rebecca. Initially, we saw a video from her, which you can click to this link, and that was something where she was showing her artistry. This is restoration work, which I found really fascinating because when I first saw this video, I would have just thought that the piece that she's working on was scrap. So the fact that she could take a piece like this that is an enameled piece that I think most people would just have to throw away and do a restoration on this, bring it back and make it so that it can be remounted back in the watch. Absolutely fascinating. I hope you enjoyed this. It's something that we're going to be doing more and more of. We'll be able to show you more things on the All Me Artist series. Of course, we'll be filming Man at Arms. And don't forget to like and subscribe on the Baltimore Knife and Sword channel. Thanks for watching. Click the logo to subscribe or click here to see more on the All Me channel. If you're interested in the artist, click here to see more information.